Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examinations have begun from yesterday. In these days, you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack these examinations with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, passing examination on just 33% marks is not any valuable gain. You have to read thoroughly things to crack the examinations that would be of competitive nature after passing your 11th, 12th, 10th, because you are living in the age where competition has reached to the skies. Dear students, self study and hard work is a mantra in your hands, or by which you can take your boat to the bank and you would be ballasted with all kind of knowledge if you do make self study and hard work. Dear student class 11th, today we are dealing with important topic in our political science, that is the liberty, positive and negative. First of all, you need to know what is liberty. Liberty is derived from Greek word liber, which means free man. In the modern politicus, it is a state or a condition where an individual is free from the restrictions within the society, and society having no control over individuals. An individual is free from all restrictions. Dear students, liberty is associated with freedom, or sometimes it is coincidence with the freedom and rights also. But you have to keep in the mind that liberty is a state where an individual is enjoying freedom. No doubt, some freedoms are there where you are completely free, but some freedoms, there are the reasonable restrictions on these freedoms in the welfare state. Dear student, so simple you have to keep in the mind in the modern politics. Liberty means a state or a condition where an individual is free from the restrictions within the society and there is no control, a restriction from the society on his or her rights. But there is a concept of the liberty that is negative and positive liberty. Dear students, when we are talking about the positive liberty means an individual is inviolable. That means he is free from all restrictions, all constraints, all his rights or her rights can be never infringed. This is the positive concept of liberty. Whereas the negative liberty, this is a positive concept. Negative liberty means where there are some reasonable restrictions on the freedoms. So in order to deal with the chaos and disorder in the society, dear students, when we have to define liberty in original, we have to read the classical liberalism and modern liberalism. But for you, it is easy to keep in the mind that liberty is the state where an individual is free from restrictions within the society and there are no controls from within the society. He or she is able to live a standard and a respectable life. But when we are living in a state and there is a law and order, there are regulations, and we have to abide by these laws and regulations. But sometimes these liberties or freedoms are restricted by the state so that the welfare concept of the state will remain there. Dear student, so liberty you have to keep in the mind means free man. Liberty is derived from the Greek word that is free man. So it is freedom from all restrictions within the society. An individual should live a standard life, a respectable, a dignified life. He should be free from the restrictions. He should carry on whatever he likes. But there are two types of the liberties that we read in the political science, and that is often asked in the board examination, that is positive liberty and negative liberty. In a positive liberty, a man is free from all restrictions. An individual is inviolable. That means his freedoms can be never restricted or infringed, or there should be no there should be no restrictions on the freedom. This is the positive concept of liberty. And it is negative concept is that freedom is there, man should be free, but there should be some reasonable restrictions on the freedom in a welfare state, so that the state would function properly and there would be no chaos and disorder in this state. Dear students, when we are talking about the John Stuart Mill, a champion of the liberty, he says that there are two types of the actions that are related to our liberty. One is the self-regarded action, another is the other regarded action. In a self-regarded action, you are free. That means the positive freedom. For example, if you are a smoker, you can smoke in a your room freely, because you can smoke in a room in isolation, because this is your concern. This is self-regarded action, and where you are completely free. But this concept of freedom is positive freedom or positive liberty. So self-regarded action and other regarded action. When you are in a room, you are a smoker, you can smoke in isolation, you are free there. So this concept of liberty is positive. But if you are a smoker, you can't smoke in a public gathering, because it is a concern of the other. So it is other regarded action. When there is a self-regarded action, you are free. When there is other regarded action, you are not free, because it is a concern of the others. So this is the positive and negative liberty. Positive liberty means an individual is inviolable. That means he is free from the restrictions, he is free from the other reasonable restrictions, or his rights can be never infringed. But on the other hand, the negative liberty means that there should be reasonable restrictions on his freedom to have not cause and disorder in the society. So when there is a self-regarded action, you are free. This is the positive concept of liberty. And when there is other regarded action, other regarded, becomes the concern of the others, there are some reasonable restrictions on the freedom. This is the negative liberty. So simple, you have to keep in the mind that positive liberty means a liberty that is without the restrictions, and here the freedoms or rights can be never infringed. And negative liberty is a concept of liberty where there are some reasonable restrictions, and sometimes the freedoms and liberties are restricted in order to avoid chores and decide in the society, or to go with this concept of welfare state. Now it's Kashmiri. Dear students, liberty matlab go liber maz tramut yih free insan. Liberty asan doi qismich. Akh asan positive, back asan negative. Positive matlab go individual rozan chhe society maz imas pet gashna kanti control as. Yih gas prath lihaz asun free. Yih positive concept. Negative concept liberty ith karan chhe कि अगर सोसाइटी मज रोजान कहीं खास रिस्ट्रिक्शंस रीजनेबल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस गसन अमस पे आसन, ताकि सोसाइटी मज रोज हमेशा डिसिप्लिन ने डिसऑर्डर गसन पोल कह lawlessness गसन पौध कह. Dear student, this is the concept of liberty. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind, after watching this video, you can call me on 7006 671106 06 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And even you are free to post your query through email on kgm3864@gmail.com. When you mail your query, and within short duration of time your query shall be answered. But better is to put extra efforts, do hard work, so that you can crack the examination with nice percentage of marks. Thanks. Be well said.